सबको नमस्ते। कबीर जी के शब्द हैं, उन पे रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे, विचार करेंगे। मन के बहुतक रंग हैं, छिन छिन बदले सोए, एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा विरला कोई. So Kabir is saying that mind has many colors. At one moment it may be something else, and in the other it may just become completely opposite of whatever it was in the other moment. मन के बहुतक रंग हैं. Mind has various colors. बहुतक means many, countless. छिन छिन बदले सोए. Every moment the colors of the mind keep changing. Every moment, each moment, the color of the mind keep changing. Right? एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा बिरला कोई. And then Kabir says, the one who can stay in one color, that one is a rare one. Now, what does it want to say? What does this line want to say? Or what is it pointing at? We can just extrapolate over it, reflect over it. एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा बिरला कोई. So a thought arises in my being, a feeling arises in my being, a sensation. I see something through the senses, I touch something, I feel something through the senses. And I become that. I become that sensation. I become that thought as if that thought rules me. I become that feeling rules me. As if in that moment, I am that feeling, right? So I am changing colors. In one moment I was hate, in the other moment I am jealousy, in the other moment I am kindness, in the other moment I am unkindness, all of that. Now what usually happens is the mind keep on making images about who I am. So the moment anger comes, the mind makes an image, I am the angry one. The next moment when I am kind, the mind makes an image, I am the kind one. So the mind is continuously making newer images of itself based on whatever is going on in feelings, thoughts, sensations. Now what Kabir says in the next line, the second line is, एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा बिरला कोई. One who is not changing any color, is in one color only. That one is a rare one. Why? What does it mean? So when a feeling of anger arises in my being, and I see it fully, I go close to it, knowing that it is just a movement in my being. Who I am it's a part of that, yet it's also much beyond. That feeling of anger does not define me. The feeling of kindness does not define me. Who I am is undefinable. Even this statement that I make now, that I am undefinable, even that can become a baggage. So not even going there, it's just pointing at something beyond than that. So when a feeling emerges in the being, and I see it that yes, this is a feeling that is emerging. When a thought emerges in the being, I see it that this is a thought that is emerging. Then who I am is always in one color. And the color is of exploration, the curiosity. The color is of wonderment, amazement. The color is of a newness. Let me see, like innocent, wonderful, eyes full of wonderment of a little child. When a little child is born, and when he begins to open his eyes after a few months, the way he looks at the world in wonderment. The world does not define that child. The movement of its being, the crying, the potty, the other movements of its own being, the sleeping, they don't define that child. The child is willing to look at the world as it is. So what is that one color in which Kabir says, एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा विरला कोई? It's a rare one who would not let each and every feeling define that person. That is one color of amazement, one color of curiosity, one color of an adventure that life is. Let no phase of my life define myself. Yes, they are movements of the being, yet I am something far, far beyond than that. So I can look at anger when it comes. I can look at hate when it comes. I can look at jealousy when it arises. I can look at unkindness, kindness when it arises. I can look at pleasure when it arises. I can look at greed and lust whenever they arise. I can look at that. Lust and greed do not define me. So the way of looking at life, the way of looking at my own movements is one of wonderment, of amazement, of curiosity. And in that, even if I am touched by those movements, doesn't matter. Being touched by the movements, being untouched by the movements, all is happening within who I am. So they are all enjoyable movements. I don't have to run anywhere from them. Why are they happening? Why are they happening? I'm not a good boy, I'm not a good girl because they are happening in me. Then we question whether there is a need of these labels. Who wants to protect this image? Why to take so much of trouble first to create an image and then put all your energy, all your fuel to protect that image throughout the life? Rather than putting all the energy in exploring life like an adventurer. Because who I am is not just this mind that changes its colors. एक रंग में जो रहे ऐसा बिरला कोई. So can we again, can we experiment with such an adventureful attitude? Can we allow life to happen? Can we allow resistance to happen? Can we allow everything to happen and begin to taste it as if for the first time? So again, this is just touching a bit of these two lines, and feel free to take home these two lines and further sleep over it, sit over it, reflect over it, or maybe just abandon them.